Life is not a race. Let's be real. Minsan nakaka-pressure, di ba? Nakikita mo yung iba ang bibilis ng usad, habang ikaw parang stuck ka pa rin sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. You start to question yourself. Bakit sa akin laging mahirap? Bakit ang bagal ng progress ko? But here's a reminder you need to hear today. Ang bawat pagsubok, hindi yan signal para huminto. It's a setup for us to become stronger. Hindi pagsuko ang sagot. It's okay to rest. It's okay to cry. Pero wag na wag kang bibitaw. Maybe not today. Maybe not tomorrow. Slow down your pace. But you will get there. In your own time. At your own pace. Wala sa bilis ng tagumpay. Nasa tiyagayan at sa pusong tumatangging sumuko. So keep moving forward. Kahit baby steps lang yan. You're closer to achieving your dreams than you think. Trust the process. Kakayanin mo to, okay? Darating ka rin dun.